Hi guys, it's me Mugdha Rokade. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I've thought of taking up this 24 hours cooking challenge, and in this challenge I'll be cooking from the starting of the day to the end of the day. And I'm taking up this challenge from 6th of April to 7th of April. Actually it's my mom's birthday on 7th of April and we won't be able to celebrate as such due to this whole quarantine situation. So I thought I just wanted to give her like a little surprise by doing something special for her, and that's why I thought of taking up this 24 hours cooking challenge on her birthday. And I've also included few of her birthday clips here and there, so it's gonna be like a cooking challenge plus mom's birthday vlog. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching it, and if you like this video then please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video, also follow me on my social media. And yeah, now let's get started. So for now I'm going to the kitchen and I'm gonna try to attempt my first dish, and that is going to be choco balls. She really loves choco balls and I'm sure she's not gonna expect me making this for her. So I'm really excited to know her expressions and what she feels about it. So I was thinking I would present it to her at 12 AM with a little candle and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in the kitchen and try to attempt that. Okay guys, so I am halfway there with making the choco balls, but for some reason I feel that this is going to be a super fail because the choco balls are just not staying in shape. And I also wanted to do like a top coat of the ganache, but I don't know how to make a ganache and we don't have enough products to make a proper ganache in this quarantine thing. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out. And also mom asked me whether I was making those choco balls for her, and I told her no, I was making some chocolate cookies for further days and I just wanted to try it out because I was bored. So she still doesn't have clue that I'm making it for her. And yeah, I am kind of nervous about these choco balls that I've been making because I'm making it for the very first time, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So we'll see. Guys, the cake is ready. Look. So good. It looks so beautiful. I'm just gonna top it off with some icing sugar and I think we'll be done.
Thank you.
Kapa cake.
What? लॉकडाऊनच्या पिरियड मध्ये केक मला मिळतोय.
हा, आवडला?
हो, सुंदर. इमॅजिनच म्हणजे स्वप्नात पण बघितलं होतं आज मला केक मिळेल. अप्रतिम. वाह.
Thank you so much.
सुंदर आहे.
Hey guys, so it's the day of 24 hours cooking challenge. Today is 7th of April and today is my mom's birthday. And guess who has woken up late again? Me. I had planned to wake up early because I had to cook food for everyone starting from the day to the end of the day. But me, a dumb ass person, I woke up so late that now everyone is hungry AF. People have only drank tea in the morning and they're just waiting for someone to cook. And I told my mom the last day that don't cook anything because I'm the one who's gonna be cooking for you for the whole day. And she bichari didn't cook anything because I wanted to cook, and now I've left all of them hungry. Last night my mom told me she is in the mood for eating sabudana khichdi, so yeah, we're gonna make that. It's very late for everyone to have breakfast. We probably would directly have a brunch, but we'll see. So for now I'm just gonna go and make some sabudana khichdi. Let's go. And it's ready. My first dish of this challenge is done. It looks wonderful and it's ready to serve.
झालं बाळा. ओहो.
तुम्हारी छुट्टी
खरं छान झाले की असंच?
मस्त. कालच्या केक सर्व सुंदर.
Okay, we are done having the first meal for the day. It's just कि थोड़ा सा नमक कम था, but बाकी सब it was really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna rest for a while, and then I'll start preparing for the next meal of the day. Until then, I can just go take a shower and freshen up. I'll see you that time. Hey guys, it's me back again. It's 4:30 in the evening right now and people have started to get hungry again because हम लोग ने दोपहर में lunch नहीं किया. We directly had brunch which was the sabudana khichdi, and now सबको भूख लग रही है. So I was thinking अभी चाय के साथ साथ थोड़ा बहुत स्नैक हो जाएगा, so कैसे भूख भी मिट जाएगी अभी के लिए, and रात के डिनर तक we'll be sorted. So I was thinking to make this Maharashtrian dish called ghavan, which is basically a dosa made by mixing different flours together, and along with that I'm gonna serve coconut chutney and of course chai. So I'm gonna go in the kitchen and start making that. मम्मा,
अरे
घावन
Ready?
हो,
वा.
फर्स्ट टाइमच बनवलाय,
अरे वा, छान सुटसुटीत झालंय.
पण थोडंसं असं कच्चं राहिलं असं वाटलं मला.
बघते खाऊन. नाही कच्चं छान झालंय, मस्त.
बरोबर तुझ्यासारखं झालंय का?
थोडंसं जाडं झालंय पण छान झालंय.
ठीक आहे चालेल.
नाईस.
A few moments later.
तिला विश्वास बसत नाहीये. तिला विश्वास बसत नाहीये की गुरु ठाकूर साक्षात समोर उभा आहे. माय गॉड.
It's 7:30 in the evening and now it's the time to start the preparations for the dinner. And सुबह से 2 डिशेस बनाई हुई है एंड दे टर्न्ड आउट टू बी प्रिटी गुड. सो रात के फाइनल रिवील के लिए प्रेशर थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया है, बट नेवर माइंड. आई एम एक्चुअली थिंकिंग टू मेक तवा पुलाव फॉर डिनर बिकॉज घर में सबको पुलाव बहुत पसंद है एक्सेप्ट मी, बट इट्स मॉम्स बर्थडे, सो आई थॉट आई शुड रादर मेक समथिंग व्हाट शी लाइक्स देन मी. सो या, लेट्स गो एंड स्टार्ट विद द preparations. The timing of that recipe to make was around 25 minutes and I've actually been in the kitchen for like 1.5 hours and I don't know why. Guys, this pulao is not turning out good यार. मतलब एक तो पहले कांदा जल गया, और फिर मैंने जो चावल बॉईल करने को रखे थे वो चिपक गए एंड दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई वांटेड। प्लस मेरी जो ग्रेवी थी जो चावल में जाने वाली थी वो कम बन गया। प्लस मैंने बूंदी रायता भी बना दिया है एंड शायद उसमें भी नमक ज़्यादा हो गया है।
वाह, सुगंध तो चांगला येतोय. चमचा दे. हाताने खाण्यात.
वाव, डिनर रेडी.
खाऊन बघ जरा कसं झालंय. चल खोटं बोलू नको.
एक्सलंट.
नाही खरं बोल. कांदा जळालाय,
नाही.
भात चिकट झालाय. हो
पण या सगळ्यात तुझं प्रेम याच्यात जास्त आहे की
अरे
नाही?
पण असं नाही ना. बोल खरं बोल.
तू बनवलंयस हे खूप छान
खरं
आहे.
बोल लवकर. किती
फक्त नेक्स्ट टाइम आपण भात सुट्टा करण्याचा प्रयत्न कसा करतो ते दाखवून द्या.
आणि कांदा
ओके, नाही छान आहे, बाकी सगळं छान आहे.
आणि जरा हे खा. खारट झाली आहे.
हे असंच असतं. याच्यात थोडंसं पाणी टाकलं असतं तरी चाललं असतं.
बरं ठीक आहे. Guys, I am done. Finally, I am done with this 24 hours cooking challenge. I've cooked 3 dishes in 24 hours, but overall the day was like really good, and I learned something new today, so that's the good thing. So yeah, let's ask my mom how she feels. Mama, कसं वाटतं जरा?
मस्त मस्त. आज तुझा पहिला अटेम्प्ट होता आणि खूप छान केलंयस तू. आणि मेन म्हणजे मला आराम मिळाला. आहा हा, फुकट ते पौष्टिक असं म्हणतात मराठीत, पण तू खूप छान केलंस. थँक्यू सो मच. आणि आज तू खूप शिकलीस पहिलं म्हणजे.
हां.
गुड.
आणि तुझा बर्थडे कसा झाला?
खूप छान झाला. एक तर तुझ्यामुळे आणि पप्पानी पण एक मला सरप्राईज गिफ्ट दिलं आज. मी हा 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 माझ्या प्रिय व्यक्तीशी बोलले, गुरु ठाकूरांशी, त्यामुळे मी त्या भावविश्वात आहे आज. आहा.
So yeah guys, that was it for this video, and I will see you guys next time in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Bye.